Hello students, welcome back to Rising Sun Premier online classes. I hope you are doing very well at your home with your family. Class 8, in this video we are going to discuss glands, their secretion and hormonal action from the chapter 10, reaching the age of adolescence. So let's start our topic. Class 8, Science, topic glands, their secretion and hormonal action. First is pituitary gland. Which is also known as master gland. It is secreted three hormones. First is thyrotropic hormone. Second is growth hormone. And the third one is gonad stimulating hormone. Action of hormones. Thyrotropic hormone, its action is stimulates thyroid to produce thyroxine. Growth hormone, its action is controls growth. And the third one is, its action is stimulates gonads to secrete hormone in both male and female. Next is thyroid. These glands secrete the thyroxine hormone and its function or action is regulates growth and metabolism. Third is adrenal. It is secreted adrenaline hormone. And its function or action is controls heartbeat and blood pressure. Dear student, do you know that adrenaline hormone is called the emergency hormone? Emergency hormone. As it prepares the individual and the body for difficult situation during emergencies. For example, it makes heart to beat faster to supply more blood to the body cell. Next example is it makes breathing faster to provide more oxygen to the body cells for activity. And the third example is it makes the muscles of the body for action so that body is able to react properly and suitably. The fourth is pancreas. Pancreas secreted insulin hormone and its function is regulate the amount of sugar . in blood. Fifth is testes. This gland present only in males. The hormone is secreted by this testosterone, and the function or action is sperm production. Second is develop secondary sexual characteristics in males. Last, sixth is ovary. It is present only in female. The hormone is secreted is estrogen, and its function or action is egg production. Second is develop secondary sexual characteristics in female. That's all for today. I hope you learned this topic very well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.